Alright, here we go, chasing another day of sun, lack of iron, poor sleep, yet another skin rush. In the mirror, what I see, biologically undone. My stomach is rumbling.